Good afternoon friends. In previous video, we have learned about images and links. Now in this video, we will learn about the HTML list. That means how to make list in the HTML that we will learn today. For that, we have to start from beginning. So first let's write the doc type. Doc type. After that, we will write HTML, and inside HTML we will write head. As we have learned in last videos, inside head we will give title, and title will be list in HTML. List in HTML. After head, we will start the body tag, and inside body, we will first give the heading to our web page. So for heading, we will write H1, that means largest heading, and here we will write list. And after that, we will write tag for the list. So how to insert list? First of all, what is the list in HTML? List are the set or any group of the different objects. First of all, we will write OL. OL means ordered list. So first of all, you have to learn that there are two types of list in the HTML. First one is UL, that is means unordered list, and second one is ordered list, OL. So OL means ordered list. What is ordered list? It is numeric or in alphabetical format. I will show you. This is ordered list OL. After that, we will write LI. LI means list. So first element of the list will be like fruit. After that, we will write LI, and now inside LI we will give vegetables, and after vegetable you will write LI grains. So these are our list elements. These are our list elements OL. That means order list of fruit, vegetable and grains. When we run it, we can see this list. As you can see here, first one is fruit, second one is vegetable, third one is grains. We did not write 1, 2, 3. This is automatically came because this is the order list. So it is 1, 2, 3. We can change the format of order list. For that we have to write OL space type, and we will give type as, if we write capital I, then it will be shown as a Roman number and uppercase Roman number. So you can see 1, 2, 3. I will add more element, like after grain, if we write LI, and we will insert flowers. Then you can see here there is fourth element flowers in Roman number. If we want lower Roman number, then we have to write here small I. Small I means lower Roman number. So it will be like this. And if we want to alphabetical, then we will write capital A. Capital A type means it will be shown as A, B, C, D. And if we write small a, then it will be in lowercase alphabet. So it is lowercase alphabet order. Similarly, we can give another format, but default it is numeric format, that means 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 format. So these are the order list in the HTML. Now, what is the unordered list in HTML? For that, we have to write UL. UL stands for unordered list. Similarly, like here we give li tags. Similarly, here we will also write li. And inside li, we will give our first element, again fruit. So these are our 4 elements, but this is unordered list. That means it will be not in the form of order. That means 1, 2, 3 or Roman case or any other alphabetical order. There will be not follow that because it is unordered list. It will be shown as symbols like bulletin, points. As we can see here, these are unordered list by using dotted, dot fruit, dot vegetables. It has also different types. We can change the type as type equal to, we can write here circle, and it will shown as circle, as you can see here. Similarly, there are many other types. You don't need to learn these all types of the list, because you can simply search the types on the Google. You can see here disk, circle, square, and many more other things you can search here. So you did not need to remember all these things. If you want, then you can remember, but it should not by heart. We will simply write here, instead of circle, we will write here disk. Then it will be shown as disk shape bulletin as default. And we can change the type as square. Run it. And it will be in the form of square. And if we want to remove all the dots or all the bulletins, then we have to write type as none, N-O-N-E, none. That means no any decoration for the list. So you can see here. So first one is our order list 1, 2, 3, 4, and second one is our unordered list. We will set it as disk. So this is our order list, this is our unordered list. So I hope you have understood what is list in the HTML.